I wanted to show you how the carry forward outstanding amount works. We have a royalty statement that's still open here, and it has a balance due of $90.68. Now, we look over here and we see we have a credit on hand of $109.32, which we can apply towards this payee, hit their current or future royalties. So in order to do that, we simply click on this area here to assign this amount. It's real nice. Just click here and it'll prompt you, say this will carry forward this outstanding amount and apply it against the balance due for this statement. Note this works best as your last step for this statement. Any balance will be stored until the next period. Yeah, it's best to wait until you've done any payments or brought any advances in before you do that. It would be your last payment step. So let's go ahead and click OK, and we'll watch it update into this field, the amount. Well, notice it brought a credit in from that credit of $90.68, which was the amount that was needed. So it paid off this statement, and we still have a carry forward amount of $18.64 as a credit. Now, if something got messed up and you messed it up, you can always clear this and go back. Notice that it's closed, but you could uncheck this and override it. When this check is marked, it means the carry forward amount has already been set, but you may override this operation if necessary. And if you click override and clear, it will bring the amount back into the outstanding amount, and we're back to where we started at the beginning. So if you mess up something, you can uncheck this by clicking on it. So be sure to check that feature out. We're going to do it one more time. We're going to apply a carry forward amount. In other words, when you've overpaid something or you have an outstanding credit against this client, you can simply click on this and apply it towards the balance instead of having to write a new check. And it brings it in here and deducts it here. The statement is already closed, so you can go no longer modify this amount because this has been checked, this was updated, and the balance is due now. So it knows that statement is closed. Hope that's helpful. So that was talking about carry forward outstanding amounts.